Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Ahmed Fashion Ideas. Today we are going to teach you how to make this granny scare, daisy granny scare. This is so easy and you can make it easily, and with this granny scare you can make different things: table mat, table runner, mm, cushion cover, pillow cover, and many more things. First of all, we will start with the center point. This one, this center point. Make the magic ring. Chain 1, chain 2, 12 half double crochet around the magic ring. Half double crochet around the magic ring. We will make 12 half double crochet. 12 half double crochet around the magic ring. Half double crochet. 3, 4. In the same way, 12 half double crochet. We will make 12 half double crochet around the ring here. After making 12 half double crochet, pull the yarn of magic ring and then join with the slip stitch here. With the slip stitch. Our center part is ready here. Now we will make the petals around the magic ring. After making this center part, we are going to make petals. To make petals, we will use white yarn. Make the hook. Like this. From any chain, start from any chain. From here we are going to start. Double crochet, don't pull the thread from here, keep 2 like this, double crochet, again double crochet, 3 double crochet from the same chain. Now lock the chain, make chain 1 and then into the next chain. Half completed double crochet, 1, 2, 3, like this, lock, chain 1. We are making these petals. We will make 12 petals around the center part. Here we have completed 12 petals around the center part, 12 petals of the daisy flower. Now we will make this granny scare around the daisy flower. We will start from anywhere like this. Insert the hook here. chain 3, 1, 2, 3, make 2 more double crochet here, 1, 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, with chain 2, again make 3 more double crochet in the same hole, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Now in the next hole make 3 half double crochet, not double crochet, half double crochet, like this, half double crochet, 1, 2, 3. The next hole again 3 half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 3 half double crochet. After making 3 half double crochet, now in the next, after making 2 sets of 3 half double crochet, in the next we will make 3 full double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, again in the same 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochet, like this, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, then 3 half double crochet, 3 half double crochet, and again in the next here in next two we will make 3 half double crochet, 3 half double crochet, and with the same pattern we will repeat around the 12 petals, and we will make a square. Here we have completed the first round of our granny square. Now for the second round, make slip stitch here, the slip, help us slip stitch, bring it to the center, chain 2, make 3, chain 3, chain 3, again we will repeat the same pattern, 3 half double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and again 3 double crochet in the whole system. Here we made 3 double crochet, chain 2, again 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochet, then in the next hole 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, again in the next 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, like this, and we will complete the second round in the same way. Here we have completed our granny square. Now we will make single crochet around the whole granny square, one in each chain. In each chain we will make a single crochet with white. Our granny square like this will be ready in 3 steps.